In this video, I'll walk you through how to set up and run an outbound campaign using the MightyCall Auto Dialer. We'll cover everything you need to know, from creating a campaign to managing agents, record lists, and compliance. To start a new outbound campaign, go to the Auto Dialer tab, select Campaigns, and click Create Campaign. You'll see a campaign setup wizard with 4 steps. Let's walk through each one. Step 1. Configure general campaign settings. In the General Settings section, you set the basic parameters of your campaign. Enter your campaign name in the field located at the top, and you can also add a short description. After that, select the time zone in which the campaign calls will ring. Define when the campaign should begin and end, and set the calling hours for each day of the week, applied according to the selected time zone. This helps prevent calling prospects at the wrong times, improving the connectivity rate and allowing you to plan outbound efforts in advance. On the right, select the business numbers that calls will be placed from, and you can hit the plus button if you need to purchase more numbers. Note that international numbers are not available for Auto Dialer campaigns. After selecting the business numbers for your campaign, you will see the local presence feature enabled automatically. Keep it enabled if you want the system to match your local numbers to your prospects' area codes, helping your calls appear local and increase answer rates. Further details about this feature are covered in Step 4. Step 2 is where you choose the dialer mode and configure its details. Preview gives agents full control and works best for high-value or personalized calls. We start Step 2 with timing settings that control how much time agents have before, during, and after each call. Preview time defines how long an agent can review the contact information before starting the call. Wrap-up time sets how much time the agent has after the call to select a disposition, add notes, or complete follow-up actions. Max ring time determines how long the system lets the call ring while attempting to reach the contact. Then move to dialing attempts to define how and when the system retries calls that were not successfully connected. The default retry period defines how long the system waits before calling the same record again after an unsuccessful attempt. Max attempts per record sets the maximum number of call attempts allowed for each contact number. After that, the previewed dialing settings are complete, and you can move to dispositions. System dispositions define what happens automatically when a call does not connect. Each disposition can be marked as retry using the configured retry period and maximum attempt limits, or as final, which tells the system how to handle that call results. Agent dispositions are call outcomes selected manually by agents after a call is completed. These outcomes are used for reporting. Here, you can add a new agent disposition and customize existing ones, and enable only the options you want agents to see for this specific campaign. That wraps up Step 2. Step 3. In the agent list section, choose the agents who will participate in the campaign by checking the corresponding boxes. For preview and progressive dialing, at least one agent must be assigned for the campaign to run. Once your agent list is set, move on to Step 4. The record list is your contact list for the campaign. Upload a CSV file with your contacts. You can use the template for best results, but non-template CSV files can also be uploaded, since MightyCall automatically maps the fields. Keep in mind that files larger than 15 MB may take 5 to 7 minutes to upload. To manage uploaded record lists, use the 3-dot menu next to each list. From there, you can add new records with duplicate and formatting checks, fully replace the existing lists, delete the list, or export it as a CSV file. When you upload or select a record list with local presence enabled in Step 1, you'll see a coverage score. This score shows the percentage of unique contact area codes covered by your local and overlay numbers, and helps you understand how well your business numbers match your record list. If the score appears in pink, it indicates lower coverage, and you may want to add more local numbers to improve it. If it appears in green, it indicates strong local matching and better answer rate potential. Checking the coverage score helps you optimize local presence before starting the campaign. Now your campaign is ready to go. Don't forget to hit save. Once your campaign is created, it appears in the Auto Dialer main tab, where you can also enable the National Do Not Call list or upload an internal one. The United States National Do Not Call Registry allows individuals to opt out of unwanted sales calls. To help you stay compliant, MightyCall offers an integrated National Do Not Call list scrubber located in the right top corner of the Auto Dialer tab. When enabled, it automatically removes registered numbers from your campaign lists. The database is continuously updated to ensure current compliance and reduce legal risk. MightyCall also supports an internal Do Not Call list, which blocks specific numbers across your account. After uploading, you can add more records, replace the list, delete the list, or export it as CSV. Agents can also add numbers to the internal do not call list directly after a call by checking the special box after the call. The last part of this walkthrough is about managing your campaign statuses, which includes the following. Ready means the campaign is fully set up and ready to start. Incomplete appears when a business number, agent, or record list hasn't been assigned yet. Preparing means the record list is still importing. Running shows that calls are currently in progress. Paused means the campaign has been temporarily stopped. Completed appears when all calls have been made. Scheduled means the campaign is set to start at a future date. Use the button next to the campaign name to start, pause, or resume it. If you need to edit a campaign, there are few restrictions to keep in mind. Completed campaigns can't be edited. Running or paused campaigns allows edits only to general settings. Limited dialer settings for progressive and predictive modes, and the agents list. Running campaigns also can't be deleted. To edit a campaign, click the three dots and select Edit. That's everything you need to set up and run your auto dialer campaigns in MightyCall. If you would like extra help, you can book a free one-on-one onboarding session or contact our support team with any questions. Use the link in the description.